Today, associations are looking for a new, innovative way to increase the value of membership, to give members more benefits, to generate more non-dues revenue, and give sponsors greater sales volume, a way that will increase member engagement, attract new members, and build member loyalty. Now there's a way that links everything together so that everyone benefits. AchieveLinks, a totally new rewards program created specifically for associations that give members the ability to earn rewards on business and everyday purchases. With every purchase, members earn Links reward points when they shop at AchieveLinks.com. They can choose from hundreds of merchant partners tailored to their industry, business, and lifestyle. Members earn Links reward points for every dollar they spend with your association's Visa Platinum credit card. The more members spend, the more reward points they earn, and the more royalty revenue your association collects from AchieveLinks. But how do members use all the rewards they've earned? Any way they want. They can use them to improve their business, thank clients, reward employees, or reward themselves. Members can discover all the possibilities online in the Reward Me section. They can choose Caribbean cruises, gift cards, apparel and jewelry, sports gear, electronics, or use them for association dues, conference fees, or their favorite charities. There's no limit to the possibilities, no limit to the reward points members can earn, and no limit to what AchieveLinks can do for your association. AchieveLinks is designed to work with any size association from a few members to thousands. What do association executives say about AchieveLinks? Leonard Tenges, president of the Associated General Contractors of St. Louis, states, "It's a member benefit that enhances loyalty, provides great rewards, and financially supports our association." Once you sign up, our fast-track setup support makes AchieveLinks quick and easy to start, and we help you promote the program to your members. AchieveLinks has something for everyone. Members receive a new tangible benefit, sponsors gain access to the purchasing power of members, and your association gains a program that not only adds funding support, but will also dramatically up the value of membership. AchieveLinks.